Home Remedies presents How to Detox Your Intestine colon naturally. Make sure to easily get your antioxidants and micronutrients for the day in just one glass with this cleansing cucumber pineapple juice. Its taste is perfectly balanced and has amazing anti-inflammatory, detox and weight loss benefits. Let's jump straight into it. Pineapple water is a magical drink that solves many problems like weight loss, digestion, thyroid, inflammation, oral health, and more. Pineapple is a great fat burner which scrubs and cleanses through the intestinal tract. It flushes out the toxins and cleanses your gut, thus preventing any digestive issues. Cucumber is filled with healthy digestive enzymes, which helps in digestion. Try this recipe, which has a mix of cucumber in it. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: half pineapple cut into chunks, 1/3 cup fresh mint leaves, half cucumber, half cup ice. Method: wash the ingredients well, chop into small pieces and add into your juicer or blender. Blend them till smooth. Lastly, add the water and ice and blend for approximately 1 minute or until all ingredients are blended well. If you don't like it chilled, you can skip the ice part. You can kickstart your day with this detox water by consuming a glass of it on an empty stomach. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.